Micco and Sons Sales and Service, 347 East Washington Street, Newcastle, has lawnmowers of every type. Zero turn country clippers, made in the USA, 42 inch to 54 inch cut. Batteries by Oregon. They'll service at your home or their shop. Service specials start as low as $69. Call Jim Micco and Sons, 724-652-6911. Habitual Glass Vape and Skate. Not your average vape store. They have skateboards galore with every color, shape, and size, and those custom axles to keep you wheeling along. Yes, it's hand-blown glass. It's Habitual Glass Vape and Skate, nestled in downtown Elmwood City. One unique shop you gotta see. Hello and welcome once again to NewsWatch. Nature Camp 2018, yes, this sponsored by the Lawrence County Conservation District. Now, the forms have to be in by Friday, July 6th. The cost is $40 per child. There is a $20 service charge for all return checks. This is sponsored by the Lawrence County Conservation District. You can call them at 724-202-7218. The camp will be held from 9 to 2, August 6th to the 10th, which is Monday through Friday, at Cascade Park. Children should be picked up and dropped off at Shelter 1. You must provide transportation for your child. And this is for ages 9 to 11. It's a great time, so check it out. And NewsWatch always keeping you informed. We're going to take this break, and we'll be right back after these messages.